All right, so we're going to talk about author's purpose. Remember, author's purpose is as easy as pie. The P in pie stands for persuade, to convince the reader of a certain point that you're trying to make. Man, I love red M&Ms. They're the best red M&M. I think they're the best because red is the color of power, and plus, red is just delicious. I'm trying to persuade you to also love red M&Ms as well. The I in pride stands for inform, to teach or give information to the reader. This could also be describe. Sometimes we intermix the words inform and describe. Okay, so you're trying to teach something, you're learning and you're getting those facts. The E in pie stands for entertain, to hold the attention of the reader through enjoyment. It's exciting, it's funny, it's comical. That would be a lot of drama and things like that. Inform would be nonfiction text for the most part, and persuade would maybe be a debate or things like that. Okay, so when reading, you have to determine, what is the author's trying to do here? Are they trying to teach me something? Are they trying to entertain me? Are they trying to persuade me? You have to think, what's the author's purpose? But don't worry, it's as easy as pie.